Kuromi, the rebellious bunny who conquered the world. In a magical corner of the world, where dreams come true and fantasy comes to life, Kuromi was born, a bunny with a touch of rebellion that set her apart from everyone else. While her friend My Melody preferred pastel colors and sweet dreams, Kuromi felt an inexplicable attraction to everything dark and mysterious. Her style was unmistakable, a black skull cap that became her trademark, a rebellious heart that beat to the rhythm of rock music, and a mischievous smile that hid a strong and determined personality. Kuromi was no ordinary bunny girl, she was a rising star, a born leader, and a fashionista who set trends. The beginnings of a legend. Kuromi made her debut in 2005 in the animated series Onegai My Melody. From the very first moment, her charisma and defiant attitude made her an unforgettable character. While My Melody represented innocence and sweetness, Kuromi embodied rebellion and passion. Despite being introduced as the antagonist of My Melody, Kuromi quickly won the hearts of fans. Her dark charm and unique style made her a pop culture icon, inspiring young people around the world to express their individuality and not be afraid to be different. Kuromi and her gang. Kuromi wasn't alone in her adventures. She always had her faithful gang, the Kuromi's 5, by her side. Each of them had a unique and complementary personality, making them the coolest group of friends in the entire Sanrio universe. Together, they lived exciting adventures, explored new worlds, and created fashion in their own way. Their bold designs and accessories full of attitude inspired a whole generation of young people to express their personal style and challenge conventions. Kuromi's legacy. Today, Kuromi remains one of Sanrio's most popular figures. Her influence extends beyond the world of animation, reaching into fashion, music, and youth culture in general. Kuromi has become a symbol of diversity and inclusion, proving that it is possible to be different and be loved at the same time. If you're a fan of gothic fashion, rock, and anything with a hint of rebellion, Kuromi is definitely your character. Her story teaches us that it's okay to be who you are, no matter what others say. So, join Kuromi's gang and celebrate individuality. What makes Kuromi so special? Her unique style, her skull cap, her love for the color black, and her defiant attitude make her a fashion icon. Her strong personality. Kuromi is a born leader, determined and always ready to face new challenges. Her friendship, her relationship with her friends, the Kuromi's 5, is an example of loyalty and companionship. Her message, Kuromi teaches us that it's okay to be different and to express our individuality. Kuromi, the rebellious bunny who won our hearts.